Get ready for liftoff. The aviation industry is poised for a $15.13 billion growth by 2028, driven by 3D printing innovations. This isn't just a trend, it's a full throttle transformation. The pattern is clear: reduced production timelines, increased part complexity, and lower material waste. It's the perfect storm of efficiency in aircraft manufacturing. Metal additive manufacturing is leading the charge, with forecasts indicating a significant surge. By 2028, expect to see widespread adoption across major aerospace players. Why the sudden leap? Regulatory frameworks are evolving. Qualification regimes are shifting from part to system-level certification, and the software layer is becoming the new battleground. It's not just about the tech, it's about who controls the ecosystem. And if you're watching the Inference for the first time, and you're into AI news, tools, and tech breakdowns, do hit subscribe. We drop a fresh one every day. Who's at the helm? Industry giants and agile startups alike are investing heavily. Look for names like at the forefront of this revolution. Where is this heading? Towards fully integrated, AI-driven design to manufacturing workflows, with robotic assembly lines making the impossible possible. Think end-to-end automation by 2028. What could disrupt this trajectory? Supply chain vulnerabilities, regulatory misalignment, and the high burn rates of scale-ups awaiting their IPO moments. The path ahead isn't without its challenges. The sky's the limit. By 2028, 3D printing and robotic assembly will redefine aviation. Buckle up, because the future of flight is being printed and assembled as we speak.